Hi everyone, this is Tammy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I have a couple of dolly tasks that I need to get done. First off, I've got these three dolls. I've selected these guys to be the ones to wear the Christmas sweaters. So I'm going to change them out. I'm not sure who's going to wear what here, but hang out and I'll show you what we end up doing here. And then after I do this, please stick with me to the end of the video, because then I'm going to put together a little dolly display with the three of them. I have agreed to do join another doll collector, Dolls Rescued, and she is going to do a ugly sweater party virtually through a video. And so I'm putting this all together, and hopefully we'll film about 15 seconds of video time that she will then put together in a longer video. So yeah, let's get started. All right, let's start first with this guy. Whoa. This is my new boy doll. I've done some videos of him. I think I'm going to call him David. I've been watching episodes of Schitt's Creek, and he kind of reminds me of that character a little bit, though. Yeah, and he's got some really cute dolly duds on here. This is from the video I did where we were showing the Creatable World dolls, so that's where his body came from. But I'm going to leave his pants on, and I think I'm going to leave the shirt on, and I'm thinking of putting him in this sweater. Let's just see. This sweater is a little bit smaller than the other ones, a little shorter. So since he's going to keep pants on, the girls are going to wear these like a dress. I think it could go with that. So obviously I need to take the tag off. So I don't lose them in this endeavor. Now some people will cut the back of the sweaters, and oh, I don't know, this is pretty tight. See, this one is considerably smaller than these. And the other ones, I remember last year I was able to just slide the bodies in, so I'm going to try to do that. Okay, I'm going to set him aside. Let me do one of the girls. Oh, I'm losing sparkles here. Let me set his shoes aside. She has the smallest body, so we're going to go with her. Take her shoes off. She's still wearing her outfit from Halloween. This, of course, there's going to be dolly nudity here. I guess I should warn you guys. She's got little pumpkin earrings in. I'll take those out because I think I have some Christmas earrings that I can put in there. She is a fakie doll, by the way. Super cute. Alrighty, so now we have this dude. I'll get some shoes for her later too. What to do with you? Why aren't you fitting in here? Decisions, decisions. Alright guys, I'm back. I went ahead and I just could not get him in there without torquing his body a ton. So I took a pair of scissors and I cut the back of this. And I'm taking a tiny little, you can get these little clips at the scrapbook section of most craft stores. I'm just popping that on there. And voila! I got his pants back on him. I've got his hat back on. I'm going to go ahead and put his van shoes back on. Look at his cute little toes. Alright, so he's set. This gal has tights on already, so I'm going to leave those on, and I'm going to put these cute little Mary Jane style shoes. She's got a larger body than the typical Takara stock body, and that means her feet tend to be larger as well. She's super cute. This doll was made by a customizer who I don't think she's making dolls anymore. MOU Handmade. It's a shame because her dolls I think are super cute and they were very reasonably priced. Maybe that's why she's not making them anymore. I don't know, but yeah, I would have loved to get a boy doll from her if she was still making them, but I don't think she is. And then finally we've got Mango here, and I'm going to put these on. I don't get to use these orange shoes very much, as orange isn't a color I gravitate towards, but I think it'll look really cute with this crazy sweater. Alright, so these three are going to be part of my little Dolly display, which I'm going to set up next. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm ready to put together a little Dolly display here for Christmas. And basically what I've done is, this is a bookshelf that I have my fabric stored on, and I cleared off the top of the bookshelf, and that is where I'm going to set up my display. Alright, so obviously I need to cover the top of the bookshelf because it's got all kinds of crazy stains on it. And I have a couple of options here. First option is this fun fabric. I thought this might be a possibility, and I would need to cut it a little bit, but just let's see if I just tossed it on there. That is possible. I wish it was bigger, and I can't flip it around because of the orientation of the flamingos, but that in a pinch that would actually be cute. Alright, so the other thing I had that I thought might work is this red embroidered shawl thing. I got it from that place on, you know, Facebook's always got all kinds of ads that I get sucked into, and this is one of them. So it was like Grandma's Kitchen. I think I got this on sale there or something. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. What do you guys think? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go with that as far as the covering. Now I have some decorations I'm going to add. First of all, I have this really cool tree. But I have this really cool tree. A friend of mine made this for me. This is styrofoam, and then she made these little fabric, they're called yo-yos, and then each one is pressed in there with pins and button. And I think it's really a good Blythe size. It's about 1 foot tall, so that is very Blythe sizey. The other thing I have is this Christmas tree here, It doesn't have any decorations on it though, so I have to think about that. So there's that. Yeah, that definitely, if I'm going to keep that, I definitely need to decorate it. Okay, so the other thing I thought would be fun is this little horsey. Somebody gave this to me. She went on a trip to India. She's actually from India, so she brought this back for me, and I thought it was really cute and would actually fit sort of like a toy under the Christmas tree, maybe. All right, so the next thing we have are the dolls. Now, she I could put on a stand and she would stand up fairly well, but I don't. Let's see, how are we going to do this? Oh, you know what? I have something, if I could find it. I have this little box. I don't remember where I got it from, but it's really handy for leaning dolls up against. So I could maybe put something like this here. All right. Let's see about leaning her up against that to fix her hair, but generally speaking, that's possible. She also would work well in a stand. So let me try this dolly. Her name's Dixie. See what Dixie would look like. Could I? Because these dolls with like Dixie, she doesn't stand up well unless she has something behind her. Is I have this little chair, so somebody could definitely sit in a chair. Dixie in a chair. In fact, I'm not gonna put this in there right now. Let me get the dolls in there first. The dolls are the most important part, and the tree can go in the background. I'm gonna leave her eyes. I'm gonna leave her eyes sideways like that. Oops! Oh my God! Get over. Just cooperate. All right, that's not too bad. All right, we're getting there. Should I stand her up on a stand? I need something behind her to help her sit up. Well, she's sitting up a little bit, but let's see. I need something to go behind her. Her little arm up there. All right, let me pull back a little bit. Okay, I'm going to keep working on this. Maybe I'll figure out a way to get the other tree in there. But I think you get the idea. This is coming together a little bit. I'm going to also try to find something that's not so noticeable that I can put behind her. There, that's a little bit better. Yeah. And I can probably put some other dollies in here, but these are the three that have the sweaters on. So as far as creating a short little clip to send to Dolls Rescued, I think I have something here. I need to work on her head. I don't like how she's looking down, so I'm going to work on her head. I'm going to tilt her head a little bit too. He actually looks kind of cute now that I moved the tree over here. But I might fix his hat. But otherwise, I think this is a lot of possibilities. Do you guys ever put together any doll little displays for your dolls? If you do, I'd like to hear about them. If you have any tips or suggestions about how to make this a little bit better, please put them in the comments. And of course, I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back, and I think this is a little bit better. I put a clip in her hair so you can see her face much better. I put her arms up. I fixed his hat. He looks super cute. I fixed her head. I changed her eye chips also. And so, yeah, this is the display that I then will use for the collaboration that I'm doing with Dolls Rescued.